Hey guys, this is Marcher Videos. Well, I forgot to mention something. Quick to say that whenever you do the sharpen the bar, you may as well go through and clean this thing here too. Take it apart and clean it because it gets full of sawdust. So we're going to do that. We'll take it apart and I'll show you how to clean it. Alrighty. See you in a minute. Alright, welcome back. Still waiting to get my GoPro. My GoPro thing goes on my hat. That way I can show you guys some better video. Alrighty. Put this thing in here. Tighten it up. I'll loosen it off. Back it off a bit.
Now, I've had a couple problems already with this spoiler on here. Well, it wasn't oiling very well. So, you need to take it apart and clean it. It's all gummed up in there anyway. So, come on, you son of a bitch. There you go.
So it gets all gummed up in there, you can see there. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it out real good. God damn it. Waiting for hell to unfreeze. Anyway. So I'm going to clean it out real good.
Should probably have a bucket here to put this crap in. Have my wastebasket here. Me tracking this crap into the house. So, gotta clean it out real good. So, yeah, it's pretty gummed in there. It's been, well, I haven't used this pruner since last year, so should have did a little better effort of cleaning it before I put it away. Always a bad habit. Let's find a something else to clean that. God. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I had a screwdriver kicking around somewhere. Maybe I lost it. Yeah, you see me wearing gloves in the shop. Look at them right now, you know it's cold. I even got my heater going. I don't know where you guys are where you're watching my videos from, but I don't know. This year it's crazy weather. Man, oh man. Crazy. I get to find something better to stick in there. That's, oh.
There's a knife, Rusty. So, just kind of get it clean. There's some, well, there's an oil gallery right in there. If you're right in here, and there's a bolt. So, I'll probably blow this out with the air. Just kind of get it. Anyways, you get it, just hold on. I will blow this out here quickly and bring it right back and show you guys some more. I'll probably edit the video and make it shorter.
My blowgun doesn't shut off anymore like it used to. We get it fairly clean like that. So, you know, a rag, clean it out, wipe it down a little bit. So, make it look pretty. And I got a, what you seeing behind me here is my little green truck, my little S10 pickup. I had to do some work on it this year. I'm going to need it pretty soon. It's actually more economical to run this little truck than my big truck. So, it the little truck. I have to do a bit of maintenance to it and keep it going. So can't afford to buy new vehicles nowadays. It's too expensive.
So anyway, it's a little bit dirty. Just give it a wipe. Good.
If I really wanted to, you could probably, yeah, you know what? Since I'm here cleaning this damn thing, I may as well just take a wire and go down the track. Sorry. Sometimes it's good to just go down the track on the, down in here, down this little lip in here. Clean it out. Get a bunch of crap in there sometimes. Yep. So I was wondering, since I'm cleaning this here, so any of you guys have been checking my videos out, what have you been thinking about my little tractor review I've been doing? You guys enjoy that kind of stuff? So, I have a few more reviews I'm going to do on that. On little tractors and stuff like that. I already have a thing for tractors. I always have had a thing for, well, especially compact. I like my compact tractors. So I'm actually going to be probably end up buying another one, but I'm going to get the bigger size of compact. I'm going to get the 2900 series. Like keep the B series, but I want to get the 29 horsepower. Maybe 2920 or something. I want to get, but I'm going to get a backhoe and different attachments and stuff like rotavator. Rotavator would be really handy. I need one for the farm. So anyways, yeah, so you just go through and you clean that out. That groove out real good, and it's a good thing to do anyway. Keep it running good. Doesn't hurt to keep things clean. I'm usually bad for that. So anyways, keep it clean. So I like to do a
live chat one of these days here on my channel. Tell me if you're interested. We can talk about pruning and all different things. If you're interested in that kind of thing, just put it in the comments below in this video. Putting this back on here. Pretty
straightforward, nothing crazy. So yeah, the days of me working with super cold out in the orchard, those days are long gone. Can't do that anymore. Can't do that anymore. Such bad circulation issues. Just can't do it anymore. Gotta work when it's warm out. Well, somewhere anyway. Like I said the other day, it was actually kind of nice out yesterday. It's beautiful out yesterday. So, there's a, well, there's a thing under there. Probably can't take that apart there. I know you guys are gonna be saying, "Oh, well, he's not doing a very good job again." Well, frick, can't be showing you guys bird's eye view if I don't have a proper damn camera.
Anyways, yeah, very basic cleaning. Don't want to get too crazy. Yeah, my camera conked out there again as always. Damn stupid things always give me a damn problem all the time. And my fingers are cold again. Ah, shit. Anyway, gotta tighten up this thing here properly. Make sure everything's all straightened up the same way it went on. Came off and everything. So, actually I had the blade backwards and I flip it over so the Stihl is actually pointing towards the ground. not up in the air, because then the oiler will be in the wrong place. And you got to make sure you tighten the nut there in the right direction, which would be counterclockwise. Not too tight, but not too loose either. That's good there. So, snug. It's good to go. So anyway, if I had the choice, I probably would have bought the smaller pole pruner. This one's telescopic. Kind of really hard. It's actually kind of heavy on my shoulders, actually. But when you need the length, you got it. But I could have went to a smaller one, really. Anyways, it beats doing it by hand. So anyways, works good. So that's all ready to go for when I get back to the printing. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. And whenever one of you guys wants to get involved to know some stuff about printing, maybe we can do a live hangout sometime. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks subscribers. Thanks for the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. And stay tuned for printing videos coming up soon. Bye for now.